How well did you sleep last night? Have you ever tried sleep hypnosis? Good sleep is the cornerstone of a healthy mind and body, yet many of us grapple with sleep issues. Tossing and turning, racing thoughts, or waking up feeling exhausted are all too common. But what if there was a solution at your disposal? Enter sleep hypnosis, a powerful tool that can help you achieve deep, restorative sleep. If sleep has been elusive for you, sleep hypnosis might be just what you need. So, what exactly is sleep hypnosis? You may have heard of it, but let's delve into what it really entails. Sleep hypnosis is a technique that involves guided thinking to lead a person into a state of relaxation. It's like someone reading a very calming bedtime story. Its purpose: to help your mind and body relax and drift into a deep, restful sleep. Now you might be thinking, isn't that mind control or something? Absolutely not. There's a common misconception that hypnosis can make you do things against your will. But let's clear that up. Hypnosis can only work with your cooperation. It's about helping you control your own mind, not the other way around. So how does it improve sleep quality? Well, it works by quieting the mind. It's like turning down the volume on your thoughts, allowing your body to ease into a state of rest. Sleep hypnosis is a natural and safe method to soothe your mind into a deep and restful sleep. Now let's get into the heart of the matter. How does sleep hypnosis work? Imagine this as a journey, a peaceful and calming voyage to the land of dreams. The first step in this journey is preparation. You need to be in a quiet, comfortable place, preferably your bed, where you won't be disturbed. The key here is to create an environment conducive to relaxation and sleep. Next is the induction phase. This is where you start focusing on your breathing. Inhale deeply, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this process. The goal here is to slow down your heart rate and induce a state of deep relaxation. Think of it as gently letting go of the hustle and bustle of the day and welcoming the calmness of the night. Now we move on to the deepening phase. This is where you further relax your body, starting from your toes, moving up to your knees, your waist, your chest, your neck, all the way to the top of your head. With each breath, imagine a wave of relaxation washing over your body, making it feel heavy and deeply relaxed. This process is sometimes referred to as progressive muscle relaxation. Once your body is in a state of deep relaxation, we enter the suggestion phase. This is where the hypnotherapist, or in this case, the voice guiding you through this process, will start suggesting positive thoughts and ideas. For example, you may hear suggestions like, "You are feeling very sleepy," or "Your eyelids are becoming heavy." The final phase is the awakening phase. But wait, aren't we trying to sleep? Yes, but in a controlled sleep hypnosis session, the hypnotherapist would gently guide you back to consciousness. However, for our purposes, we will skip this step and let you drift off into a peaceful sleep. And just like that, you'll find yourself drifting off into a peaceful slumber. Sleep hypnosis might seem a bit out of the ordinary, but it could be the key to unlocking the restful night's sleep you've been longing for. As we've journeyed today, we've learned about the importance of quality sleep, explored the intriguing world of sleep hypnosis, and even walked through a step-by-step process of how it works. Just to jog your memory, sleep hypnosis is a technique that uses guided relaxation and focused attention to achieve a heightened state of awareness, or trance, which can help alleviate sleep disorders. It's a tool that could potentially transform your nights, and by extension, your days. Remember, it's not a magic wand, but a tool to be used consistently. Why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the difference it could make to your mental and emotional health. Start small, maybe with just a few minutes each night, and gradually increase the duration as you get more comfortable. It's all about finding what works for you. And with that, we've come to the end of our journey today. But the conversation doesn't have to end here. We'd love to hear your thoughts. So, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and share this video with anyone who might benefit. Until next time, here's to good sleep and better health.